Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 3D product, and this final product is a pipe. Pipe is a very useful, and to discuss here a very important and okay guys, this is a very important, and this 2D drawing is discussed here one by one. Is all process is one by one is learner, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a section view, and all point is discuss here easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter. And this final product is pipe, and this is a very useful and helpful. And guys, let's start here and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. This is a very important. This is a very nice looking here, and final product is pipe is drawing here. And isometric view is also available here, and this is a this is a very nice, and this fillet is used here, and all point is discussed here one by one. Let's start here. At first select a part and click OK, and all setting is some setting is discussed here. At first this is a fully and plain white. This is a perfect. At first drawing a front plane. And select this is a front view, and this is a very looking nice here, and this length is a 210 millimeter, and this length is also 210 millimeter, and this length is 210 millimeter, means this is a equal distance. And this fillet is a 130. At select a line is a this, select a this. And click a this, and select this is a this. And again select a line is a this drawing is a this, and and select and this point is a tangent, and also this point is also tangent. And this select a first this line and this line, and this line is 3 is a all is equal. And both this is a this select a this, and this is a equal. This is a perfect. And next is a this is a distance is a 210 millimeter, and this 130 millimeter is and select a 210. All is perfect, and select a this 130 millimeter is correct. All is fully defined. This is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And next is a correct, and next is a select a circle diameter is a this is a 140. And exit, and select a plane is created here, and select this point, and this line is a this point, and this line is a correct. And and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle, and this circle is diameter is 140. This is a 140 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and use this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a correct. This is a fully defined is correct. Okay, and exit and use a swept boss base. Okay, and automatic is select here a sketch and select next is a path is select here. Okay, and one important point is discuss here. This is a thickness is a use a thin, and thickness is 20 millimeter. Select a thin feature, and this thickness is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and next is a next is a this circle is drawing here is 320 millimeter and this thickness is 40 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this face, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is this, and this is a 320 millimeter is perfect, and again select this and convert entities is select here. Okay, and extrude boss, and this thickness is a 40 millimeter, and this is a offset. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a 40 millimeter is direction is reverse, and okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and at first select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a this. Okay, drawing a circle. Okay, and this radius is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this radius is a this is a okay 40 millimeter. Okay, this is a 40 millimeter, and this point and this circle is drawing a distance is 132 is okay. This is a perfect, and this point and this select a press a control button and select this, click a vertical, and this is a fully defined. Okay, this 132 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and select exit and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a very important. One point is a discuss here up to surface. Up to surface is this, and okay. Okay, and select use a pattern, and pattern is a this circular pattern. Okay, select this, and this circular edge is select here, and this feature means this, and this is a 360 degree and 8 equal spacing. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and next is select this sketch normal and draw a circle. Circle is this, okay, and mention dimension is this 320, okay, and select a 320 and this convert entities is select here, okay, and this point is a vertical, okay, this is a perfect, okay, okay, this point and this point is a okay, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and use a extrude boss. This thickness is 40 millimeter and this is a direction is reverse, okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, okay, and use this face sketch normal and drawing a circle is drawing here, and mention this dimension is 40 millimeter, okay, and this distance between to this center to center is a 132 millimeter. Distance between these two center, a small circle and big circle is drawing 132 millimeter, and this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, okay, all is correct and perfect, and click exit and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface, means select this surface and click OK, and select a pattern is this circular pattern, and at first select this edge, select here, and next is this select a feature, okay, and feature is select here and use this 360 degree and pattern is at equal spacing and all is perfect, okay, this is a perfect, and material is apply here, okay, this is a metal, and click a nickel is polish nickel, okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a perfect, and next is a okay, this fillet is radius is 15 millimeter, this fillet is used here, and all is drawing is perfect, one, okay, and this fillet is used here, and this is a 15 millimeter, and select this and select this, click OK, this is a perfect, okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and all point is perfect, okay, and one point added here, a chamfer is used here, and chamfer is 10, select this and select this, click OK, okay, this is looking perfect, okay, and isometric is also better, okay, this is a perfect, okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important. This body is designed easily and clearly, and this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is a 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane, line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base and going to this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45-degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2 okay, and this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a, okay, this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45-degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect. And dimension is a this to this is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal, Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line, connect this to this line, and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect, drag a circle. Circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a okay. This is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and 12 millimeter is better. Okay, 11 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here, this is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter. And revolve boss base, use this and click OK. OK, and click OK. And this face sketch, and use a chromium and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 millimeter, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is a correct. All point is discuss here one by one. And thread is apply, length is 10, and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is a select this, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct. And this is a use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.